Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TrueeBeautyy7, and I'm coming back at y'all with another video. It is this glam skull makeup look. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and let's get started. I also wanted to mention that this look is inspired by Donnie Darkowitz on Instagram. Okay, so to start off, I'm just doing her brows, and I'm using the NYX Precision Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. Now taking a flat concealer brush, I'm just going to carve out her brows using the NYX HD Concealer in the shade Tan. Now I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige just to prime her eyelids, and I'm going to blend that out with a fluffy blending brush. Now I'm dipping into the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I mixed the shades Oud and Amethyst to basically create her crease. To blend out her crease, I dipped into the Mini Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and I mixed the colors Zobo and Bori to create that kind of pinkish color that you see going on. To cut her crease, I'm taking another flat concealer brush and using that same LA Girl concealer from earlier. Also, I'd like to mention that all the brushes that I'm using are from BH Cosmetics, so I will leave the sets that I used in the video down below in the description box. Now for her lid color, I'm taking Casablanca from the Masquerade palette. This color is honestly so pretty. Like, look at that shine. It's so beautiful and gold, and it's probably one of my favorite gold colors that I've ever used. Now I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Liquid Crystal Body Liner in the shade Crystal Gold just to add a little bit of pop and it's one of my favorite kind of glitter liners that I've used. Even though I've just started using it, I really like it. Now we're moving on to the face, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Pro Filter Primer. For foundation, we're using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in the shade Mocha. Before I blended in her foundation, I did go back to her eyes and put on the lashes because we did have them drying down a little bit before I put them onto her eyes. For her concealer, I'm taking the same NYX concealer again from earlier, and this is in the shade Tan. Now I'm going to blend in that concealer with a Real Techniques blending sponge. Now I'm setting with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, I think in medium deep or deep, I forget which one it is. Now I'm dipping into the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, the original one, and I'm taking black truffle on a flat concealer brush and starting to carve out like the hollows of where the skull's cheeks would be. Now I'm carving out the hollows of her temples, or where her temples would be. Now I'm taking the same fluffy brush that I used on her eyes and dipping into the Desert Dusk palette from Huda Beauty and taking Oud and Amethyst again and blending that into the black. Now I'm taking another fluffy brush and going back into the Masquerade palette and mixing the same two colors that I did on her eyes. I'm taking an eyeliner, I guess pen you would say, and just drawing out like the nose hollow on her nose. For lips, I'm going in with the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Vintage. Now I'm taking that same glitter liner from before and just adding it to where I made those hollows in her cheeks, just to add something extra. Now to create the mouth, I'm taking the NYX white liquid liner and just creating dashes in her lips. This is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And hit that notification bell so you're notified when I post. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!